Welcome guys. Today we are going to try to solve this question. If sum of all the solutions of the equation 8 cos x cos pi by 6 plus x into cos pi by 6 minus 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2 equals to 1 in 0 to pi is kq, then k is equals to. So first let's look at the equation in question. So there's a little printing mistake over here. So this is x, not 1 by 2. So let's write the full equation down. 8 cos x into cos pi by x, 6x plus x into cos pi by 6 minus 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2 equals to 1. So the first look at the equation tells us to solve the cos part inside the brackets. So we have an equation, we have formula 2 cos a cos b equals to cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. So this is applicable on the cos part inside the brackets. Let's try to solve that. 8 cos, so the answer we get is cos pi by 3 into cos 2x upon 2 minus half equals to 1. So let's take 1 by 2 common, that is 4 cos into cos pi by 3 cos 2x minus 1 equals to 1. Easy. So we'll use the same property again, 2 cos a cos b, to solve cos pi by 3 cos 2x. So we have 4 cos pi by 3 cos 2x. Let's just solve this. I'll just write down the final answer. Okay, so after solving this, we get 2 cos 3x plus cos x minus 2 cos x equals to 1. So cos 3x equals to 1 upon 2. Solving this equation we get. So which implies 3x equals to 2n pi, that is the general equation of cos, plus pi by 3, which gives us x equals to 2n pi by 3 plus pi by 9. Easy. So the solutions in 0 to pi here will be, let's clear this up a little bit. Okay, so the solution between 0 to pi are pi upon 9, 2 pi by 3 minus pi by 9, 2 pi by 3 and pi by 9. So we are given the sum of these equations, sum of these points as k pi equals to k pi plus minus plus and plus. Yes, this is 9. So this implies pi will get cancelled from these pi's. So the final value of k will be equals to 13 upon 9. That is option D.